So sa mga produkto ninyo ngayon, you are proud of, wow, let's talk about this. This is the ageless concentrate. Okay, it says antioxidant-rich face oil. Ano ang kinailangan yung gawin to produce this?
Wow, aside from the research. So ito, bago na to. This is relaunched already.
Oo.
It has vitamin C na this time.
Okay.
When we launched this, alam mo, we were in HSN, Home Shopping Network in the US.
Wow.
We launched that there.
Okay.
Pero that time, I wasn't able to do a live selling because it was pandemic. So, after that, pandemic did so many things na hindi maganda. So, I had to stop my US operations. But this one, it's a relaunch. We just launched it this year. It has vitamin C na.
Yes.
It evens out your skin tone
Oo.
and then protects your skin also.
So is this made in the Philippines?
Yes, all of that.
Completely made in the Philippines.
Yes.
Amazing, ah.
Yes.
World class made in the Philippines.
Yes.
And what are the ingredients? The
Okay.
pili oil?
The pili oil, of course, the LME oil for the firming. But the vitamin C is from Germany. So, other active ingredients that we have, syempre, wala naman tayo lahat yan. We buy from different distributors also here. So, it's not really completely 100% Filipino, but majority, and especially yung pili natin in LME, is from the Philippines.
Yan ang basic.